Did you know that Windows has been secretly creating junk files on your PC since day one? It hides 3 specific folders containing thousands of useless files, and it never even tells you they exist. Today, I'm going to show you how to find all 3 folders and wipe them completely clean in under 2 minutes. No paid tools and no risky downloads required. Step 1. The Prefetch folder. Windows intentionally hides this folder from regular browsing. Instead, type exactly prefetch into the Run box and press Enter. Click Continue or Yes on the administrator permission prompt as you are entering a protected system folder. Right-click an empty area inside the folder, select Properties, and note the size shown so we can see how much space we save at the end. Now, press Ctrl+A to select everything and press Shift+Delete. Using Shift+Delete skips the recycle bin entirely, freeing up that space right now. If some files refuse to delete, that is completely normal. Windows is actively using them, so just hit Skip on any locked files and let the rest go. Step 2. User Temp folder. This usually holds the most accumulated junk. Open the Run box again and type %temp% with a % on both sides, then hit Enter. This shortcut automatically finds your personal temp folder regardless of your username or drive. This graveyard holds files from crashed installers, failed updates, and apps that closed unexpectedly. On an uncleaned PC, this can take up gigabytes of space. Hit Ctrl+A to select all. Then a standard delete is fine here. Remember the golden rule: skip the locked files and trash the rest. Step 3. System Temp folder. This is a separate location used by Windows itself. Open Run one last time, type %window%temp and press Enter. Click Continue for administrator permissions, then repeat our favorite combo, Ctrl+A, Shift+Delete, and skip the locked files. The bonus speed tweak. All 3 locations are spotless. Now for the bonus step I promised to speed up your browsing. Open your Start menu, search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and select Run as administrator. Type exactly ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. This takes 3 seconds and clears your DNS cache, which gets rid of built-up website routing data to fix random connection glitches and help sites load faster. If your PC is still running slow, you might be suffering from a hidden RAM cache problem that builds up in the background. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.